one thing we are clear. In the last 4 years, we accept the way we manage. First, we are transparent. We are not afraid of telling it what we are doing to the people. Because you are the owner. I'm just a manager. You are the shareholder. I trade it as a corporate. You know what we are doing. So being transparent. What does being transparent mean? That means you must make sure you make a correct decision. Being transparent, you are now going to be questioned by these people. That's what I saw. I've never seen in the last 10 years MCA can question about accounting records and all that. And some of them wouldn't even know how to count also, but that's okay. That's all right. Accounting record discussed by MCA politicians. My goodness, they advanced a bit, but that's okay. That's all right. That's okay. Doesn't really matter. But what does transparency mean? Transparency means you must be able to make a correct decision. You must be able to earn your decision. So that's the good thing about being transparent. And we are transparent. And because of that, now all decisions in the state are well recorded. We have options. If you do this way, what is the impact? If you do the other way, what is the impact? That's the reason why people pay you. Because first, we accept the fact we must be transparent. Second, we must be responsible. Whatever the decision is, we must be responsible for that decision. You can't be saying, I'm not. So, as a Menteri Besar, I'm sure the buck stopped at me. I didn't need to other people. So I said, I'm responsible for that decision. But if I'm responsible, of course, I will ask the officer why you do this way, not the other way. Just like I asked the question, why do you want to spend 3 billion for Langat 2 if I can do it in less than $1 billion? Because I'm responsible for it, not you. People of Selangor will ask, how come the Menteri Besar cannot calculate 3 million is worse than 1 billion? 3 billion you pay for the things that you can get, but you still have to pay $3, and you know you can get something else or the same quality, same thing, $1. So why don't you accept the $1? Why should you accept the $3? That's what it's all about.